I'm Super A on the court, tumatakbo ako, lakad-lakad lang dito sa side. Super A moves, mga players ang bumabagay, awat langit sky. Mixed up fight,
Ano lang po ba may interview sa akin? Ano po ba yung next week po kayong dito ng finals niyo po?
Tayo manalo.
mga video call, defense
Iya ako eh.
Ano lang po?
Kailangan namin manalo para mag-back-to-back kami. Hindi lang.
So pag nanalo mo, magpapakasawin po
Pag
kayo.
nanalo kami, back-to-back champion.
Yun, so shout out mo yun.
Shoutout kay Roque Martin. Saka kay Janrex Martin.
Yun, shout out mo kay Idol TV. Tanawan, grabe, ang galing sa court. Nakikita naman po natin yung effort talaga na makuha po yung kampiyonato. Kaya talaga ng deserve naman po nila. So good luck po, Idol.
Thank you po, thank you.
Kaway-kaway po, shoutout po sa committee po ng Sangguniang Kabataan ng Barangay Takongan. Shoutout po, shoutout. Idol kaway po, shoutout po natin. Shoutout po sa masisipag na committee ng Barangay Takongan. Shoutout po sa, ano pangalan ba ito? Shoutout po kay Christy Kagawan, Edris Galino na nandito po sa committee. And of course, shoutout po rin, kaway-kaway po, yung shoutout po sa ating masisipag na referee. Kagawan Hari! Shoutout po kay Kagawan Hari na talagang nakasupport na po sa paliga po ng Barang Steve Summer League 2026 Basketball League. Yun, shoutout po kay Kagawan Hari.
Minsan lang magbibig dahil ako'y nasa sana polo. Pero ngayon ako todo, para kung dumating ka sa pahiya. Baka gumana yung pagpapapansin ko akalain mo ang bilis ko pa rin kasi naging kaibigan ka. Inabago ang iyong mga ngiti at ang ganda ng palinaw ka. Pagkatapos na ko sana ikaibigan, meron akong importanteng sasabihin. Ngayon lang ako magiging kampante. Pero kailangan yun since
So, shoutout po sa ating pong mga viewers. Share po ng ating live once again. This is Mr. Liberator, aka Super A. Palapit naman po palike. Share po ng ating live. Pa-comment po mga idol kung saan po kayo nanonood natin sa live para malaman ko po kung hanggang saan nakakarating po ating videos. Yun, once again maraming salamat po sa panonood. Yun. So, kapit lang po kayo mga idol. And half po tayo. So, score po natin. Update po tayo sa score. 41-46. Abante po sa 5. Kalamangan po ng mga nakadilaw. Midtown. Mukhang pinipigay naman talaga ang best ng mga nakadilaw. Para manipisahan po ang game to. Para magkaroon pa po ng game trace. Abangan po natin. Kapit po tayo mga idol. Shoutout po kay Aaron Nel N. Bautista. Shoutout kay Paul Allen. Madami call dyan. Shoutout po Shiname Masage. Shoutout po sa naka-black. Shoutout po sa naka-black Insanity Team. So back to the ball game na po tayo. Para sa atin pong third quarter.
Okay, it's the third quarter.
Score po natin, 41-46. Back to the ball game po tayo para sa third quarter. Shoutout po Aronel M. Bautista.
Black ball ano? Isan?
May turnover.
Sheila May Pasagi, shoutout sa mga naka-block.
It's out to Onyokon. It's out to Paso. It's out to Agustin. It's out to Angelo. Looking. Angelo Pais. No. And so we shall call the number
Third sa whistle.
9. The first person on ball. Push the ball. That's 14 seconds to short. 14 seconds made on the shot block. It's out to Onyok. Ball pass to Vargas. Pull up pace. No. Ball close ball. Gets out to Sarvito. Save the ball to Makmak. Makmak not helping. The pass to Vargas. Basket is good. By Mananana. That's not to Onyok. That's not to pass. But Madonna is dancing on the ball. Ball of Paris. No. Never by Sarvito. Running down. Gets out to Tanawa Palms. Nice. No. Albanza. That's not to Onyok. Inside pass to pass. Ball fake. Pass to Vargas. Ball of Palms. No. Rebound by Maranada. Looking at the right side. It's out to Makmak dribbling. Running down. Makmak pass man. Tawamomo. On the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a pass. It's William for three.
Good luck po tayo.
It's a deadlock.
46-46. 8 minutes and 35 seconds.
It's out to Angelo on the mount rise. Saved out of bounds. Out of bounds. Same ball. Last 13 seconds to short. In Bombay. That's out to pass. Ball fake. Pass. Wide open. Pass. No. Rebound. Gets now. The Sorbito press down to JB. JB wide open pass. No. Wide open pass. Guys down to Bragas. Rippling. Looking. Guys down to pass. Running down pass on number price. No. Rebound by Maranada. Save the ball to Makmak. Forward pass to JB. JB plays. No. Rebound, that's out to Onyok, running down, tap the ball still, press out to Makmak, right side pass to Jimmy Barnes. Jimmy Dalawa for three.
Chinese favor po tayo. 49-46.
49-46, 3-point lead.
Abante sa tatlo ang kalamangan ng naka-block. The defending champion. Chinese favor po tayo. 49-46. Abante sa tatlong kalamangan ng mga naka-block.
That's not going up, running down. It's like pass to the next mark, cross court, pass to pass, pull up, pass, no. Rebound by Banana, gets down to JP. JP dropping, box up, pass to J-Man, Barnes. Basket is gone. By Sorbito. That's not to the next mark, between the legs, let us mark. And so we saw Paul number 9, Marcus Rada, pick up second personal foul, second deep foul. Substitution. Dapat out.
Score po natin, 51-46. In favor pa rin po sa mga naka-block. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Onyok. No.
About my broadcast. That's not to Angelo Ponte. No. About my Onyok. Rampas of Galas Wow. No. About my Servitor. Save the ball. Bottom to the loose ball. Gets down to Servitor. To GB. GB on the move to win the situation. Raise. And so we saw. All paid up for 67. Let us move to the personal foul. First tip ball. 15-foot line, shoot two. And an out of person. One of those substitution. Good.
52-46 in favor po naka-block.
Hands out to Angelo, Ronson, to Paleras, top the ball C. Same ball, that's 14 seconds to shoot. Hands out to Onyo. Onyo, drop pass here. Hands out to Magma. Magma, please, no. Peppa, bottom to the ball. Hands out to Gimi. Zeddy on the way, 10 seconds to shot. Gimi punch. JP the level for three.
Boom!
It's
55-46. Nakanta siya mga labangan ng mga naka-block.
Inside pass to Onyo. Onyo tries, one, no. Bottom to this ball, save the ball. Gets down to this ball. The ball, save ball. Last 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to make a shot now. A substitution. Let us go out then.
Last 11 seconds yan.
Under 6 minutes and 2 seconds remaining.
6 minutes and 2
Eyes out,
seconds.
10 seconds to shoot. Let us go punch, no. Papay banana. Looking. Gets out to Gibby. Gibby, one long distance shot, no. Papay banana gets out to Onyo. Onyo rise to the long distance. Rise, no. Papay banana. Forward pass to Gibby. To Mamba. Rob pass to Sorbito. Facing upper bounds, no. Bottom to the loose ball. Pereira's forward pass to Onyo. Onyo running down, rise back. Yes, so we saw.
Torso whistle. Score po natin, mga idol, 55-46. Lamang pa rin po ng Siyam ang kalamangan ng mga naka-block. 5 minutes and 26 seconds. 55-46. Score po natin in favor of naka-block.
Basket of brace.
Basket ang una. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng mga naka-block. 55-47, 5 minutes and 26 seconds. Para sa third quarter. Okay. Basket again. Para sa pangalawa.
Ayaw niyo ako na dyan sa mga.
Score natin 55-48.
7.8 by the defending champ.
Baba sa 7 ang kalamangan ng mga naka-block.
As not to certain Malo Pepais, no. Remember Perez, it's a hunted foul. Foul number
Torso whistle.
21. Tanawan for the first personal foul. Warning for penalty. It's down to Onyo. Pass to Perez Pimes, no. Rebound, tap the ball still. Onyo, no. Perez put up with back in the miss. Mother Girls ball. Set ball. Insanity, ball position.
Symbol, Pinsanity ball position. Score po natin 55-48. Baba sa 7 ang kalamangan ng mga naka-block.
Looking for teammate. There's now to GB. Forward pass. So we saw
Torso whistle.
number 10 Pereras. He got second personal foul. Second team foul. Last 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Meron mo na shot na ako. And ball play. Nice shot to Makmak. Wide open prize, no. Never make a gas forward pass to Onyo. Wise. Pass good squad. To the finish.
Basket. Okay lang. Baba sa limang kalamangan ng nakablock.
Nice shot to the Romano. The player. Ang bounce. Substitution. Rick Martanawan out. Extra out. Last 19 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds. Merong shot na ako. Nice shot to Tanawan. Yes, shot to Sorbito. Okay, back to Tanawan. Draw player. Tanawan on the move. 10 seconds. Back to Mananan. Fade away shot. No. Level by Sorbito. Pull up. No. Body to lose ball. Ang bounce. Same ball. Last 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Merong shot na ako. Mbappe, Sorbito pull up by. So, basket ang squad.
Basket.
Eyes out to Manarap.
50-57.
Forward, top, the ball steal. Save the ball to Arapulo. To Manarad. Back to Arapulo. Forward pass to Sorbito. Kick out to Gibi. Wide open pass. In and out. Substitution. Gragas out. Gragas. Last 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Meron na shot na ako.
Score po natin 57-15 favor of Pinsanity.
And what play?
3 minutes and 41 seconds.
Nice
Remaining
now.
time. Okay, kanina na. Number 20. Parang bulo na. Up.
Save. Nice now to Sorbito. Drop pass to Manana on the ball. Price. No. Rebound by Sorbito. Price. Kick out to Jamie. Long distance. Price. Ball. Running or Beijing big downer. That's not to the decimal running down. Set him on the plate. That's not to Onyo. That's not to Masarap. Top the ball over Seaboy. That's 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to win on shot to Aga. And Mbappe forward pass to pass. Looking. Rosgard pass to Masarap. Wide open pass. No. Rebound. Top the ball save. And so Michelle. Foul number. Wait for Manarap to the first person on foul. Penalty.
Baba sa anim kalamangan po ng mga naka-block. 57-51. 3
Last 3
minutes.
minutes exactly on the game clock.
Remaining time para sa ating third quarter.
I started the Tanawan well playing. Tanawan on the ball. Dropped off the ball. Is there against out to Onyo. Forward pass to
Nagbaka na rin. Masarap. Up.
Armand Seaboy.
Assemble.
Last 19 seconds to shoot. 19 seconds. You made him on the shot clock. Nice out to pass on the mock rise. Basket is good. Off the glass. On the
57-53. Baba sa apat ang kalamangan ng naka-block. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. No. Basket by number 20, Arambulo.
Nice out to Onyo.
Abante sa anim ang kalamangan ng mga naka-block. Up. Pass now.
It's a blocking ball. Foul the number 20 Arabolo. To the first personal foul. Penalty, substitution. Pereira out. Zorbito out.
Basket! Ang first shot ni pass. Score po natin 59-54. Second shot. Basket.
From Alex Martin. That's not the DP. No player. David Agamosi Alabons. Mixed out the numbers with ball possession. Our score 59-55. 4-point lead by the defending top. That's out to Julian Marlo. Pet Packers. Bonds now. Raymond. Tumakmak, yes, out to Arabolo. To Narawan on the rock. Double steal. Forward pass. Gets out to Mazara. Oh.
Kickball. Score po natin 59-55. In favor of mga naka-black. Abante pa rin po sa apat ang kalamangan ng Pinsanity. 1 minute and 37 seconds.
Don't pass to Maranana. Looking back to knock out the ball twice. No. Bada to the loose ball. Save the ball to Mazara. Gets now save to Julian. But Julian now running down. Drop pass to Onyok. Wise open shot. No. Ribbon Barabula. Save the ball to Karawa. Forward pass to Reno situation. Pass to Maran.
Sagang drop pass. Basket. Abante sa ano mga
Nice down to the
kalamangan.
Dasma. And so Gonzala. Foul the number 24 Maranana. He got second personal foul. Party substitution.
1 minute in 1 second. 61-55 score po natin.
In and out of
In favor of
the
naka-black. No goods po ang unang shots. Second throw po natin.
And substitution.
Nakaisa po.
Maranana
Basket.
out. And that's 1 minute and 1 second remaining on the game clock.
61-56. Score po natin in favor of Pinsanity.
Nice down to Mac.
Last 1 minute.
Mac between the legs, setting on the play, bounce pass, drop pass, Ziva, pada to the loose ball. Okay, bit down to the balls with one position. Last 47 seconds remaining with the game clock. That's not to Anya, and down, drop pass to Vargas, no. And on Ziva. Now 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to win.
38 seconds to shoot. Up.
That's still against Dr. Makma. Bounce. Take the ball. That's out to JB. JB on the move. There's the Musala. And then Yapu got third personal foul. 13 foul. Basket.
Shout out po. Matt Angelu.
Complete triple play.
Complete for 2.
Last 28 seconds remaining on the game clock.
64-56. Score po natin in favor of Black.
Julian, seven on the play. Julian on the move. Drop. Gets down to Vargas. Back to Ledesma. 10 seconds to shot. He's there by JP. JP roll back. Step back. Roll pass to the right. Last 1 second. Last 1 second. Ito siya. Manimtim out there. Last 1 second.
Last 1 second. 66-56. Abante po sa 10 ang kalamangan ng naka-itim. End of the third quarter. Alright, so score po natin 65-56. 66-56 I mean. Lamang po ng 10 ang black team, Pinsanity. So, end of our third quarter. So, shoutout po sa ating pong mga viewers. Shoutout po kay Kagawad, Christy, Angela, Kasinsinan is watching right now. Shoutout po mga idol, pa-share ng ating live. Yun, so naglabasan na po yung mga kabataan. So once again, pag nanalo po ngayon ang black team ay champion na po sila. So back-to-back champion po sila. Pag nasungkit po nila ngayong gabi ang kampiyonato. Shoutout po kay Skate Chairman G.A. Marciales is watching right now. And of course, shoutout po sa masisipag na komite ng sangguniang kabataan ng Barangay Tacongan, Pilinga Rizal. So good luck po sa dalawang team na naglalaban niyon, no? Talagang dikdikan po ang laban ng Pinsanity versus Midtown Quality. Okay, magbabasa po ako. Pa-comment guys kung saan po kayo nanonood right now. Para ma-shoutout po kayo. Stephanie, masarap score po natin. 66-56 in favor of Pinsanity. Lamang po ng 10 ang Pinsanity. Lamang po ang mga naka-block ng 10. 66-56 score po natin. That's the end of our third quarter. Shoutout po, Dears Angles Galino. Shoutout po. Shoutout po kay Jacob Guerrero Mubreros, pinakapugi ng Tacongan. Sabi ni Dears Angles Galino. Pa-share po ng ating live mga idol. Pa-comment po kung saan po kayo nanonood right now. Comment na rin po ng mga pang-shoutout at po.
Back to the ball game. This is the fourth quarter action. Win Grove. As now the mark player. Looking. Ball pass to Tanova. Gets out to Mariente. Ball pass to Alamolo Paris. As now to Jolie. On the right pass, scored. That's a foul. Foul play number 26, Tarawala. The second personal foul, first team foul.
66-58, score po natin. Baba sa 8 ang kalamangan ng mga kayo.
18-49, bonus free throw.
Ang ganda na pinapakita ang laro ni Onyok.
Okay, 3
points para kay Onyok. 66-59, baba po sa 7 ang kalamangan ng
Nice
manakain.
now, forward pass to Makmaka. Back to Satanawa. Looking. Tanawa the drop pass to Makmaka on the move. Drop pass. Down the ball skill.
Up, backdoor sa Rizzo.
Symbol. Last 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Last 8 seconds. Nice shot to TP. Floater shot. Basket is good. Off the glass.
Basket is good, they jibber.
Nice shot to pass. Dancing on the mark. Basket is good. Power number 23.
68-61, score po
Number
natin.
28, substitution. Big up sa non-foul.
9 minutes and 11
17
seconds. Deljamon Gatcher, shoutout po.
Complete triple play.
Complete 3 point by number 12, pass. Score po natin, 68-62. 6 points.
By the defending
Ang kalamangan ng Black Black.
Sasabi ito wide open pies. No. Yes, no. Toledas ma. Tuon niyo ako. Yes, no. To pass ball fake. Attacking twice. No.
Kaya pa rin.
Cat for the protector.
Mabasa apat ang kalamangan ng mga nakaitim. 68-64, 8 minutes and 41 seconds. Give it now.
By the defending count. Yes, no. To JP. JP twice. Boom the pies. No. Yes, no. To Onyok. Top the ball still. Save. Onyok punch to
8 minutes and 24 seconds.
Running down. Substitution. Dalawang round. Asal tumakbog broken down the door. Tumaknaw. Back on the wall. Tapa. Save the ball. Gets out the dalawang prize. As of Isala. Foul number 12. Pass. Pick up shot personal foul. First team ball.
Score po natin 68-64. Mabasa apat ang kalamangan ng mga nakaitim. Oras po natin 8 minutes. O ng free throw ng mga nakaitim wala. Second throw natin. Up. Wala pa rin.
Level by Pereira. Touchable steal. Yes, now. Malit Timotamo Prato. Yes, down the one. Looking. Sasabi dot one. Passing in. Boom the five.
Balik sa pito ang kalamangan ng mga nakaitim. 71-64, 7 points lead. Binawi agad ng nakadilaw. 3-point bypass.
Pass for three. Yes, now to GP. Yes, now to Sarpito. Robin. Yes, now to Marin. To Macback. Macback on the ball. Pass. Save the ball. Yes, now to pass. Running down. Pass now. Down the ball still. Yes, now to Sarpito. Time. Ball. Yes, now to the tip to Macback. Pass. No. Save the ball. Yes, now to. It's official. Power number 21. 1 second personal. Third team ball. Substitution.
So, score po natin 71-67. Baba sa apat ang kalamangan ng mga nakaitim.
Under 6 minutes.
Oras po
7
natin
seconds
6
na yung naging
minutes and
drama.
57 seconds sa atin pong last quarter.
Yes, now to Onyok. Forward pass to
Onyok to
pass.
pass.
Looking, yes, now to Braga. Stop the ball. It's like the ball. Power number.
Dorsal Russell.
Pick up third and on foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. It's not to Onyok. Dribbling. Dancing on the move. Wide open pass. No. Foul number 10. Pick up third personal foul. 70 foul. It's not to JP. JP dropping. JP on the one. Step back down. Bounces on the pass. Basket is good. By Sorbito.
73-67 score po natin. Levels mo na, far, no.
Almanza. Our score 73-67.
6 points played
lead.
by Pinsanity. 73-67 score po
Nice
natin.
now to JP.
6 minutes and 14 seconds. JB now. Ito, kanino, number 1. So, ito.
Tanawan, yes, now to man on the mobile. Yes, back to the Sorbito. Tanawan, ball open five. No.
Tanawan, number 2.
Yes, now to Onyo. Onyo on the mobile. It's a whistle.
The Dorso was
Ball, the number 21, Rick Martanawan, pick up third person, foul, penalty. Get it out of Greece. 73-67. It's a lead.
Score po natin 73-67.
1-2.
Baba sa 5 ang Kalamangan ng mga naka-block. Score po natin 73-68. 5 minutes and 52 seconds.
That's not good enough.
Abante pa rin po sa 5 ang Kalamangan ng mga naka-block. 73-68 score po natin. Jimmy now.
5 seconds. Jimmy from the punch. And one.
Score po natin 73-68.
Alright, pass the ball.
Abante po sa 5 ang Kalamangan ng naka-itim.
Basket on the first. And last ball position. 7-3, 69, a 4-point lead. Last 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Nice now to Onyo. Onyo, rock pass to pass. Wide open pass. Airborne. Nice now to Sorbito. Nice step along the line. Same ball. Last 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds remaining on the shot clock.
Symbol, umilaw ang linya.
Yes, now, top the ball steer. Yes, now to Yibi. Yibi running.
Jimmy now.
No. Bada to the spot. Yes, the whistle. Foul by number 89. Lagas, big up. Ball. 30 ball.
Score po natin 73-69.
Wala.
Substitution. Gragas out. Basket first. Basket. Last 5 minutes and 5 seconds.
Last 5 minutes and 2 seconds. 75-69. Abante ng 6 mga Kalamangan ng mga nakaitim. Taas to. Kanino? Number 8. Masarap now to up. Missed ball. Jimmy now. Jimmy now. Loki ng mga pasahan. Jimmy now.
Yibi on the ball.
Jimmy the floor.
Pass ball.
Go. open basket for two.
75-71.
Mabasa apat ang kalamangan ng mga nakaitim. 75-71. 4 points leads by Insanity. 4 minutes and 16 seconds. Up! Sorrento. Go!
Gets down to Tanawan, top number 10 seconds to shot. Alabanza, may top Alabas with pole position. 75-71, 4-point lead. Nasa auto masarap. Masarap bro.
75-71. Score po natin in favor of Black Black. Onyok for 3. Babasa isa ang kalamangan. Score natin 75-74. 1 point lead by Insanity.
Dapat ang kamusin. At sa wisala.
Doors of the zone.
Number 26, Tarawana. Pick up court personal foul. Volleyball graduate. Penalty.
Score po natin 75-74. 3 minutes and 42 seconds. 1 point lead by Pinsanity. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng mga item. Walang throw, no good. Makakuha kaya ang deadlock score natin ng Midtown. May isang shot pa. Pangalawang throw by pass, number 12. Basket! Deadlock all! 75. 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
Let's start this one beat. Dancing on the floor. Don't beat your back shot. Viva Bananas. Gets out to Masera.
Pass na nagpapatuloy! No!
Running down JB Ono. So Visala. Masarap. Number 8, pick up first personal foul. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Last 4 seconds to shoot. And the player. That's not the fadeaway shot. No. The ball gets out to Arno. Save the ball. Let us back forward. Pass to Masera. Wake up to Bananas. Well, pass the pass. And it's a whistle. Oh, the number 21.
First a whistle!
Right away. Penalty. I will pick up for personal foul. One for graduate. Substitution. Basketball points.
Change favor! 75-76. 1 point lead by Midtown. Yellow team. No!
Mac now 12 there. Same ball. 9 seconds to shot. That's not the GB. Rock it rise. So Visala. Foul by number 10, Ferreras. Ferreras pick up full personal foul. Warning to penalty. Basket.
Deadlock 76. Score po natin. All 76. 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Change favor.
76, 77.
1 point lead by Pinsanity.
Shot to Masera. Pass wide open pass. No. Bottom to the host. Save the ball to Ono. Rock pass. Save. Gets now. 10 seconds to shoot. Masarap. Save the ball. Guys now. Tanawa. Good. And so Visala. Foul by number 26. Full personal foul. Right to it. Under 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining on the game clock. Turn to the 30.
1 point lead by Pinsanity, mga nakaitim. Deadlock, basket.
It's a deadlock.
All time 77. All 77, 2 minutes and 31 seconds. Chance favor. 77-78. 1 point lead by Midtown Yellow Team.
16 seconds to shoot, 16 seconds remaining on the shot clock.
77-78. 1 point lead by Midtown.
Shot! No! Ball. Forward pass. That's not the game. They wide open pass. No! Yes, now. Yes, now, Tazara. Yes, so we shot up. All the number 21 with Guatemala. Personal foul. Right winger. Penalty. Under 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining on the game clock. 78-77. Basket result.
Score po natin 77-79. 3 points lead by Midtown. Score po natin 77-80. 4 minutes and 4 seconds. 77-80. 3 points lead by Midtown.
Both teams take the one time out. I repeat, both teams take the time out.
Alright, back to the ball game po tayo. Oras natin ay 2 minutes and 4 seconds for the last quarter. Score po natin 77-80, 3 point leads by Yellow Team Midtown. Shout out po mga idol pa siya natin live.
Last two!
Walang bibitaw, last 2 minutes.
It's the last dance to the game. Result from Magna. Pass, cross-court pass. Alabama Steamboat. Last 10. Short. 10 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Last 10 seconds. And one player has down to JB. JB on the more prize. Prize no. Ball to the loose ball. Save the ball. It's not to Onyo. Running down. Onyo. Looking against Dr. Masarap. Sarap dribbling. Masarap for Masarap for
Sarap for Grace. 77-83, 6 points lead by Midtown.
So we saw foul play number 12 campus pick up third personal foul penalty. Both penalty zone. Our score 83-77, 6-point lead. Basket for Bracer.
Score po natin 78-83,
Second prize.
5 points lead by Midtown. Basket.
Completo per player.
Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan
That's 1 minute and
ng Midtown, ng Yellow Team.
Result to Onyo.
Anyok now, pass to number 8. Masarap.
Masarap, drop basket, counter Paleras. Looking to Onyo. Seconds to shot. Jump pass, 8 seconds. Drop down the ball, 5 seconds to shoot. Ledesma, ground pass to Paleras. Waiting for shot block violation.
Shot clock violation. 55 seconds.
24 second shot block violation.
Remaining time. 24 shot clock violation. Score po natin, 79-83. 4 points lead by Midtown.
55 seconds remaining on the game clock. Okay, back to the ball game. That's 55 seconds remaining. That's now the keeper. Behind the man, keeper. Looking on fast to Sorpito on the ball proper. They still by pass. Forward pass to Masarap. Masarap, Alfonso. Last 41 seconds remaining on the game clock.
Last 41 seconds.
And go back, that's not the game. To the long distance fight. Down the balls, on the balls. Last 10 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Execution.
Pinulikat po si number 14, Ledesma. Score update po natin, 79-83. 4 point leads by Midtown. 33.79 seconds. 30
Last
seconds.
14 seconds to shoot.
Last 14 seconds to shoot.
Shot clock.
33 seconds. 79-83 score po natin.
Inbound play.
In favor of Midtown. 4 points lead.
Looking, Sorpito twice. Pull up, buys it. No. And it's now to pass. Rock pass gets out to Ledesma. Running down. Looking, wasting the clock. Ledesma from cross-court pass. Gets out. 5 seconds to shoot. Tap, still. JB on the play. Wide open bodies. No. Gets out to JB finds. Basket.
Time out, Midtown. 83-81, 2 point leads by Midtown. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan ng mga nakadilaw. Lost 5 seconds.
No matter. Insanity, dalawa pa. Back to the ball game.
Last 5 seconds. 2 points lead by Midtown. 81-83. Score po natin.
5 seconds.
And siguro mga nakadilaw. Abante pa rin po sa dalawang kalamangan ng mga nakadilaw. 5 seconds to play.
Inbound play. That's not too masarap.
There's a whistle.
Ball number. Pick up third personal foul penalty. In on the bracer. Second right. In and out. Mata ke dalam sport. TGB. Congratulations. See you next week. The finals.
Winner po natin, Yellow Team, Midtown. Final score po natin, 81-83 in favor of Midtown, Yellow Team. Congratulations. See you po sa Game 3. Final score po natin, 81-83.
See you next week. The Game 2 finals.
Next week, Game 2 final.
Best player of the game. Jersey number 14, Hojo Dasma.
Ayun, so congratulations po sa Yellow Team. Panalo po ang mga nakadilaw, ang Midtown po. So, standing po natin 1-1. So, see you po sa Game 3 po ng finals po ng ST Palapala League 2026 ng Barangay Takungan po. So, congratulations po sa Yellow Team.